Hello children, how are you? Welcome to the class. In the previous video, what we have learned? We have learned the characteristics, the first characteristics of management. Okay, and that was management is goal-oriented process. Okay, so now in today's video, what we are going to learn? We are going to learn the second characteristics of management. So what is the second characteristic of management? That is, management is pervasive. This is very different word. आपने कभी नहीं सुना है. You never heard this word. Okay. So management is pervasive. What do you mean by pervasive? Pervasive means present. Okay. Group of people, right? Spread. That is called pervasive. Now we will learn it deeply. Actually, what is management is pervasive. Okay. Yes. See here, it is not necessary that management requires only in big organizations. Okay, it is not necessary. Sometimes we think that management requires only in big organizations, but it is not true. It is big organization, or it is a small organization, or it is profit or non-profit organization, manufacturing unit or service unit. Each and every place, even in our daily, in our personal life also, we need management. Okay, so management is very important. Management plays very important part in personal life also and in professional life also. Okay, so how? Suppose you see here, this is a management, this is an organization. Okay, this is a big organization. Big organization means एक बहुत बड़ी company है. Okay, so in big organization, naturally their management will required. Okay, without management you cannot run the organization, because it is a big organization. Each and every level you need the management. Okay, so management is required. Somebody will think, why in small organizations we need management? There also we need management, because how we will run the organization? Suppose school is there. Okay, who is going to run the school? A principal is running the school, but who is holding that organization? The management. Okay, so management needs everywhere. It is big organization or small or any organization, management is required everywhere. In a small organization also we need management. Okay, you will say, मैम स्मॉल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में मैनेजमेंट की क्या ज़रूरत है? बड़ी कंपनी है, वहाँ पे एम्प्लॉयज़ ज़्यादा होते हैं, मैनेजमेंट तो वहाँ चल जाएगा. बट छोटी कंपनी में तो ज़्यादा लोग नहीं होते हैं. बट इफ़ there is less number of employees are working in small organization, it doesn't mean that you will not need management in a small organization. You also need management in that small organization. Then how you will run the organization without management? Management के बिना आप कैसे organization को run करेंगे? So here also you need the management. Okay, now suppose one organization is that they are manufacturing pipes. Okay, pipes for fitting pipes, right? Fitting pipes, water fitting pipes. So they manufacture these pipes. So it is not like that the company has to just manufacture the pipes. कंपनी और फैक्ट्री में पाइप्स मैन्युफैक्चरिंग हो गए और वो बन करके मार्केट में आ गए, ऐसा नहीं होता है. इट नीड्स ऑल्सो प्रॉपर मैनेजमेंट. मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट, जहाँ पर आपके प्रोडक्ट्स बनाए जाते हैं, ओके, मटेरियल तैयार होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट. देयर ऑल्सो यू नीड मैनेजमेंट. Okay, how much manager will decide what quantity of material what quantity of material will required, okay, what quality of material, right, and in what time of period the product should be get ready, then it has to come into the market. So all it depends on management. वहां पर मैनेजमेंट का रोल बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. ओके, नाउ कम टू सर्विस यूनिट. सर्विस यूनिट जो सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करते हैं. ओके, सपोज आपका अमेजन है, फ्लिपकार्ट, दीज ऑल आर ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग यूनिट्स. ओके, so what they are doing, they are providing a service. What service they are providing? That through these websites we can order anything, we can order online anything. Okay, so they are providing us some kind of service. So these service units also needs management. Okay, without management they have to cover whole India. Okay, Amazon is providing online servicing in whole India. So that Amazon needs also management. Okay, that each and every state, okay, they have their centers, right, and they are providing services to the customer. So they also need management to run the unit, to run their organization. So management requires everywhere. It doesn't mean a big organization, a small organization, manufacturing unit or service unit. Everywhere you need management. अब आप है, आप बोलेंगे मैम मुझे अपनी लाइफ में क्यों मैनेजमेंट चाहिए? क्यों? आप 12th स्टैंडर्ड में हो, यू आर इन 12th स्टैंडर्ड. ओके, सो यू ऑल्सो नीड मैनेजमेंट. हाउ? दैट whole day you just you will wake up in the morning, okay, you will take bath, you will eat food and you will do anything? No, you also need management. Okay, that throughout the day, whole day, what you have to do. For that you need management. That morning I will get up 5 o'clock, then after getting up you will get fresh and all, right, you will take bath or you want to do some exercise. So this is the process. Okay, you will do all this or you do all this process. So you need management, right, because you have to do your studies also. So for those studies you need management. Without management how can you be able to do your studies? If management will not be there, how will you manage the time to study? How will you manage the time for your studies? Tell me. No, na. So management also required in the personal life, right? So this is management in pervasive. Now we will study deeply about this, that what is basically management is pervasive. You see in the book what they are saying. Managerial activities are performed in all type of organization. All type of organization. Here I have told you in the starting that all type of organization. Remember this word, all types of organization. Okay, all type of organizations, you need what? You need management. Managerial activities are performed in all type of organizations. Okay, जो हमने ऊपर बात करती है, it is big organization or small organization or manufacturing or services. So all type of organizations you need management. Now what they are saying, all type of organizations in all departments, in all departments, in all departments, in all departments. अब बात आ गई यहाँ पर डिपार्टमेंट्स की. In all departments and all at levels. अब यहाँ पर levels क्या है? So what they are saying, managerial activities are performed in all type of organizations, in all departments and at all levels. Now, see here. Suppose this is a organization. Okay, this is a organization. Every organizations have their departments. Okay, every organization have their departments, and each department has their levels. Okay, suppose this is the organization and this is one department of this organization. ये एक department है and this department has the level. Level means कौन से उस पर कौन वर्क कर रहा है. एक सबसे लो लेवल होता है, उसके बाद then other level will come. Okay, then other next level will come, then topmost the manager will come. So there are levels. There are levels in the organization. Departments are there. Okay, and there are different levels. So in this, all these things will connected with the management. All these things will connected with the management. Okay, how? Because through management only all these departments and levels will run. This is the organization. Okay, and all type of organizations needs management. Then departments, there are so many different departments in the organizations, and these departments also needs management. These departments also need management. When these department needs management, then levels also needs management. Suppose this level is there, a person is working in this level, so somebody is there to manage this level. Then next level will come, there also someone will be there who will take care of this level. So every organization, what they said, that managerial activities are performed in all type of organizations, in all departments and at all levels. हर लेवल पर, हर डिपार्टमेंट में आपका ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की जरूरत होती है. ओके, नाउ व्हाट दे आर सेइंग नेक्स्ट, मैनेजमेंट इज रिक्वायर्ड इन ऑल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस. सेम थिंग, whether big or small. What I have told you in the starting, big organization, small organization. Okay, big or small organization, manufacturing or service organization, profit or non-profit making organizations. Now, profit making organizations, those who are earning profit from that organization. Suppose XYZ organization is there. Okay, this is the organization. This organization is manufacturing TVs. Okay, so when they are manufacturing TVs, so naturally they are earning profit. So this is profit making organization. Now what they are saying, non-profit making organization. What do you mean by non-profit organization? Non-profit organization means that those organizations who does social service. Okay, in 11th standard we have discussed about in which chapter, about the organizational behavior. Organizational, you understood? They were farming organization, different organizations. Okay, their main motive was service. So we are talking about that. Non-profit making organizations means their main motive was not making profit but social service, doing service. Like so many NGOs are there. Okay, NGOs आपको पता है, so many NGOs are there and social service centers are there. So what they do, they provide social service. उनको पैसे की जरूरत नहीं होती है, प्रॉफिट उनका मेन मोटिव नहीं होता है. Yes, there also they need management. Okay, one person is running the NGO. To run that NGO, okay, that person also need management. वहां पर भी management की जरूरत होती है. Okay, now next what they are saying, concept of management is used in whole world. In whole world management required. Each and every place they need management. What managers do in India, USA, Germany और Japan is same. हर manager is working in India or manager working in USA, their work is same. Okay, now that their work is same, work is there is no difference in the work, right? Next, what they are saying, how they do it may be quite different. Means इंडिया में जो मैनेजर वर्क कर रहा है वो भी काम कर रहा है, वो भी मैनेजर है, जो यूएसए में है वो भी काम कर रहा है, वो भी मैनेजर है. बट कहाँ पे डिफरेंस आ जाता है? द वे दे आर वर्किंग. इंडिया में काम करने का तरीका, यहाँ पर मैनेजर का वर्क सिस्टम कुछ डिफरेंट होगा यहाँ की रिक्वायरमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग. यूएसए का जो मैनेजर है उनकी कंपनी के रिक्वायरमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग वो वहां पर उस हिसाब से वर्क करेंगे. ये आप समझ रहे हैं बात? मीन्स मैनेजर का वर्क इज सेम, मैनेजर्स वर्क इज सेम, बट द वे दे आर डूइंग द वर्क इट विल बी क्वाइट डिफरेंट. इंडियन मैनेजर, द रिक्वायरमेंट, according to the requirement of the work only he will do the work, and in USA also according to the requirement of the work it only that manager of USA he will do the work, right? Suppose एक example ले लीजिए. Suppose I will give you your example. Suppose your father is having the business. Okay, after completing the 12th you have joined with your father in his business. Okay, और आप अच्छे से मैनेज करने लग गए हैं. You have understand the business and you are quite well, you are running that business. This is one part. Now one person is there that उनके बेटे ने MBA किया है. He has done the MBA and after completing the MBA he has joined with his father in his business and he is also helping his father. दोनों ही, आप भी अपने फादर को हेल्प कर रहे हो एंड दैट MBA बॉय इज ऑल्सो हेल्पिंग हिज फादर. दोनों का वर्क क्या है? मैनेज करना. ही इज ऑल्सो मैनेजिंग द बिजनेस एंड यू आर ऑल्सो मैनेजिंग द बिजनेस. बट देयर इज अ डिफरेंस दैट यू हैव पास्ड आउट 12th. सो आपकी थिंकिंग उस लेवल की होगी. आप 12th करके आए हो, सो आप उसी के अकॉर्डिंग उसी लेवल में वर्क करोगे अपने फादर के साथ मिलकर. एंड दैट MBA बॉय, उसका एक्सपीरियंस ज़्यादा है आपसे, उसने MBA किया है, सो ही विल वर्क अकॉर्डिंग टू हिज लेवल. ओके, सो यहाँ पर ये बात हो रही है दैट मैनेजमेंट हर जगह ज़रूरी है, बट लेवल यहाँ पर थोड़ा डिफरेंस आ जाता है काम करने के तरीके का. सब जगह का अलग अलग डिफरेंट वे होता है वर्क करने का अकॉर्डिंग टू द रिक्वायरमेंट्स. ओके, सो दिस वी हैव स्टडीड. मैनेजमेंट इज परवेसिव. मीन्स जो प्रेजेंट है. ओके, एक ग्रुप के साथ में काम करना, राइट? मीन्स कहिए कि मैनेजमेंट इज परवेसिव मीन्स प्रेजेंट. ओके, आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस कैरेक्टरिस्टिक of management. Okay, go through it. Any problem, so tell me, and if books are available I will inform you. Okay, read this carefully. Okay, 2 features I have taught you. Go through it deeply. Any problem if you are facing, then ask me, I will explain you. Okay, thank you so much.